Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do a build on a Monogram 65 Corvette Coupe. It's a 124 scale, skill level 2, and kit number 2925. This kit was released, I gotta put my glasses on, hold on a second. Looks like 1995. There it is. And I don't believe I've done an unboxing on this one, but I'm just going to go ahead and get her done here. My daughter asked me to build this one, and she wants me to paint it in transparent candy grape. That's 1617, old Chester's spray enamel. And looks like I purchased it at Michael's many years ago. Couldn't even begin to tell you how much it was. I'm sure it was under $3. So we'll go ahead and get her open here. It still has the plastic on it, but I've cut the bottom off. Oh boy, this is going to be a fun one. It's molded in red, which is wow, it's a real strong red too. A little bit of flashing right there. So I'll go ahead and get it all out like I always do. Here's the glass in an unprotected bag. Remember, this is a Monogram kit, so I'm sure it's a reissue from way back. There's some engine parts, interior, dash. Here's the frame. So this is kind of an unboxing and a build all in one, I guess. And here's the wheels that come with it. The finned wheels. There must be hubcaps for them, little spinner caps. Must be these right here. Nope, those are exhaust tips. Here's one of them right there. There's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's 4 little spinner caps. Big old valve covers for 427, most likely. Distributor or that's the back of an alternator. That's the little cover that goes over the distributor. It used to help with interference from like the radio and that kind of stuff. There's air cleaner, some chrome trim along the rocker panels. Here are inner fender wells, the heads, steering wheel, wheel backings, fan shroud, axle carrier in the rear end cover. I don't know what that is. Looks like maybe an oil filler tube, fan belt and pulleys, starter, part of the rear end leaf spring that went left to right, not front to back, steering suspension and cradle for the engine. And one of those, I don't know what that is, 62, it might be part of the suspension for the rear axle. And this is the rear axle here. Oh, we got another little chrome tree here, little half. The bumpers and the little grill for underneath in the front. Alrighty. 4 tires. A giant piece of flashing, which is peculiar, but there it is. Back in the box with that. 4 tires, no branding on that side, and nothing on this side that I can read, that's for sure. Nope. These are the taillights and final decals. This has to be the smallest decal sheet I've ever seen. It says North Dakota CS425. And then the little 396 turbojet 4 1/4 horse that looks like 425 horsepower for the air cleaner. And that's it. License plate and an air cleaner decal. Alrighty, so I'll get these parts all spread out and cut off the trees and all that good stuff and be right back with you. Thanks for joining me. Here's just a quick couple of quick update photos. Engine block is done. I still have to do the transmission. And some accessories, exhaust and headers and that kind of thing. A couple of shock absorbers. There's a little carburetor. Right there. It's actually gold. I'm trying to find a paint that'll match Cosmoline, if any of you guys know what that is. I haven't been able to replicate that yet, but I'm working on it. So I'm going to insert a couple other photos in here. Those are the body prior to the final paint. And be right back. There you have it, folks. That is the 65 Chevrolet Corvette big block. 427, I believe. And this one is done in a candied red over gray primer. It came out absolutely beautiful. I'm very pleased with this one. I built this one for my daughter. She's seen it in the kit she's seen in my stash, and she says, "Dad, I really like that one. Will you build that one for me and paint it this color?" Sure, no problem. Just give me a minute and I'll get it done. It was an absolute pleasure building this one, especially knowing that it was for her. I really liked the way it went together. This was an old Monogram kit from the I think it was from the 90s. I have it right here. Let me look at it real quick. Yeah, 1995 this kit came out. And here's a shot of the engine. I don't know that I'll get too good of a view in there. This one's a roller. Try to get the light on it. Come out real pretty. Very clean looking. Old battery buried in the corner there. Interior, I just went with black with some chrome trim. And the attention to detail on this one was pretty good by Monogram. I'm very impressed with it. So if you guys run across this kit, I'd suggest you pick it up if you like the Corvettes. It's pretty cool. So there you go. Another one in the books, as they say, and we'll get this one up on her shelf somewhere, and hope she enjoys it. So this is Model Car Guy Rich out. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for your comments. Please like, share, and subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.